Hey guys, in this video today, we are going to be talking about your trading and how it's going. So for those of you who do not know, my name is Gislen, and on this channel, we share trading tips and ideas to better your trading. So I decided to record this video today because I wanted to, emphasize on key levels and how to handle your emotions when you enter trades like this. Okay, so let's take the first one, which is key levels. This is my 4-hour chart on gold, as you can see up here. I like to highlight my levels on the 4-hour chart, meaning I come on the 4-hour chart and I look for key levels. And what is a key level? For me, my own definition, I would say a key level is an area like this one. Okay, I don't have to give any definitions. I'll show you what my key level is. This is my key level. Why is this my key level? My key level has more than one touch. My key level has rejections. When I said rejections, I don't mean these pushes here, all right? This push is called reversal. It's like, let me say continuation, okay? This is a downtrend, this is a little pullback phase, and this is a continuation phase, all right? So what we have here is rejections. What I mean by rejections are these weeks. You see these weeks here? 1, 2, 3. These weeks make up rejection. For me personally, when I see weeks like that at a key level, that tells me there is an opposing pressure at that particular price. Do you feel me? At this particular price, at 1,980, there is an opposing pressure that enters the market to push the price lower. And it has been holding price for weeks. When I say weeks, I mean like 2 weeks or 3 weeks if possible. You get it has been here for a while. So what can we do with this information? First of all, if you know what your key level is, like what I've said, that is my key level. I don't know how you draw yours. You're going to highlight it like mine. Make sure, guys, please, I beg you, make sure that your screen is clear. Your chat, your workstation, your space, it should be neat. It should be looking good. It should be, engaged. It should be something that you can see and have. You should fall in love with your charts. If you may look at my chart, it's beautiful. I got rid of the excessive colors, the blue, the green, the red, black, all of these colors on the screen. Too much colors confuses the brain. It makes it very hard for me to process my charts, my candles. I like them like this. Okay, you avoid grids, you avoid lines, you avoid all of this indicator. You make money first. You have to look like somebody who makes money before even making money. All right, then now we have an area here which is lower. So when you identify the first tap here, the first push, you see the second push. I need you guys to pay attention to the weeks. Look at these rejections. Is there a weak rejection? Yes. You see that when you have these weak rejections here, that tells you that what? There's something up there. And you see the impulse, you see the move, you see that the price moves when it gets to this level. Look at this one, it moves. Because why? This is a valid point. So what you can do is when the price gets up here, I don't care how you do it, you grab yourself to the downside. You trade that stuff to the downside. Now, we have resistance. Of course, we can see support, right? I can see this area here. This area here held price for a while. If I was trading live, okay, I think I took this trade, this sell trade here. I took this sell trade, but I didn't take this buys. I took this sell trade here, and I made money. Don't disregard this small move. This is not small move, right? This is a 4-hour time frame. This move here is no small move. This is big, okay? So once you have a confirmation, entry, that is, when I say confirmation, there are certain rules that you put on a spreadsheet, and you go through, you check them, you go through them. It's like a checklist, all right? You make sure that all of these rules are met. Once all of these criteria are met, these are your entry rules. Once they are met, you enter your trade. Okay, so you can draw this out. You see that it holds price. Then when it fails to hold price, obviously it pushed price lower. So support now became resistance once broken. Then when support breaks again to the upside, it automatically, when resistance breaks to the upside, it automatically becomes support again. So that's exactly how price moves. Please, I beg you, forget about chart patterns, forget about indicators, forget about all of those things. I beg you, please. There's nothing like, double top, double bottom. Yes, double tops and double bottom are valid. It depends how you use them. If you have a double top like this one, I would recommend you take proper trade management, risk management. You need to apply some rules to these things before using them, please, all right? I'm not against chart patterns, but I'm just saying that you cannot build a trading strategy based on chart patterns. You will not make it because you take 10 trades and lose 7. I'm telling you. So, that is my area. Then here you can see this level here. This is a very good level. Has held price also for quite a while. You see, obviously, this is a good area to look at because it has held price 1, 2, 3. And this is the fourth time you buy this thing to the upside. Second time you buy it. I made a lot of money on gold last week. Everything is on my Telegram channel. Let me show you guys real quick. I'm sorry, guys. Let me show you guys real quick. Everything's on my Telegram. This is my Telegram channel. This is a public. These things download. You can see these are trades that I called and took. So these are setups that I share. This is gold. Hi guys, just entered a sell on gold. I sold gold, and these are the results. Here you can see here gold, 2 positions. I made 139. That's like close to 3% on my funded account. 5K funded my Forex funds. You can see my chart here. You can see everything, guys. I post everything here. All right. These are trades that I took. Looking on gold for sale. This is when I was still anticipating gold. Then this is gold after the anticipation. This is exactly what I predicted. All right. This is the prediction here. I drew this line and I was like, this is what I've done based on my analysis. That is exactly what I did on gold. And I sold gold. It's free. You can join it. The links are down below. All right. This is the first phase of my challenge that I just passed. I passed this thing in like 10 days, less than 10 days. I had the first phase already done with. So I'm now on the second phase. Then GBP card 2 was pretty good on me. This is GBP card here. You can see that I took some really incredible trades here. 3 trades, 1, and just 1 tiny loser here, which this loser here resulted to impatience. This was because I was impatient. You can see here, I took a sell. Then price was pulling back a little. I just felt intimidated. I don't know why. I just exited my positions. And my stop loss was way up here. So you can see this price would have dropped. And it did just that. Immediately I closed out, the price dropped down. So I was right, the directional bias, but I was impatient. That's why I took a loss. So you can see I would have had 4 winners in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is something that I'm doing. There is something that I know that you do not. You might know something that I do not, but there is something that I know that you do not. That is why I need you guys to subscribe to this channel. But I'm telling you that with my idea, something you want to pay attention to. Because out here, not everybody trades Forex for real. People come on here and go and do stuff, and I trade these markets for real. I do not have courses. I do not have any ebook or anything that I'm selling. I do not. I just have a free Telegram channel, and I'm also looking for people that I can work with. When I say people, I mean people that are willing to work with me one-on-one, that I can guide them through and see how their trading is going and give them 1 or 2 tips and here and there. So you can click the link down below, message me if interested, and I'll tell you how it goes. So right here, I just highlighted the level here while I was talking. I know you guys, you might ask, why did I choose this level? Yeah, as you can see, guys, I told you something about these wicks here, guys. Look at all of these wicks. It's beautiful. When you see these wicks rejecting this area, I don't need to tell you, there's an opposing pressure. This is a key level, yes, but this is also a key level. Because why? We have more than 5 rejections there. More than 5. But I don't really call rejections for the amount of wicks that are inside, but I'll call it rejection from the amount of push from that zone. So you have like 1 push, we have 2 minor push here, push right now. And I'm thinking if this week market reopen today evening, this price might fall all the way down here. As you guys can see, I have an alert sitting here. This black dotted line you see across the screen is my alert. So once price triggers it, I'll look for maybe a reversal up to the upside, or if price fails, then I'll sell this market to the downside. I'm going to post these setups exactly when I'm entering them in my Telegram. So if you're not part of that community, please consider joining. All right. So this is pretty much it. I sell when price gets to my resistance. I buy when price gets to my support. So that is all about this trading. It's simple, guys. Please do not follow all this. Wait for 12 o'clock midnight. Stand up here. Stand here. Look for this particular candle formation. Look for double bottoms, double tops. As you can see, we have all of those things. Double bottom, double tops. What are the criteria? It does not work. Please. All right. These things form in the market all the time. Just look for areas that price has rejected. Look for a confirmation entry. I have a confirmation module. That is my own private stuff. I cannot give that out. I have a specific way that I enter my trade. I confirm my key levels before I enter. So if you go to my Telegram, like I said, you see my entries. Most of my entries are on point. Like, let me show you something. I like to talk and show you proof, okay? Okay, let's look at this. Oh, my bad. My bad. Look at this. Look at this sell trade that I took here. Are you seeing my entry? Oh, I just dropped. Look here. Even this sell trade that I took here before this minor push. Look at this. This is a buy trade that I took. Are you seeing my entries, guys? My entries, I don't really suffer drawdown when I enter my trades, okay? Because I know when I'm entering. I know when the price is about to push. That is when I enter. There's something that I know that you don't. This is it. This is another buy trade. You see here, the price dumped deeper than this area here. So I did not enter. I waited. When the price now showed me signals or it met all of my criteria, that's when I jumped in. And when exactly I jumped in, price pushed up. So let me just push randomly and see if I can spot another one. Okay, look at this one. This is gold. Another perfect entry. You see here, if I was just anticipating that, oh, when price gets to this level, I will just sell. You see, I would have maybe been stopped out this week, but I did not. I did my thing. Once I got confirmed, once the market got confirmed, boom, I entered. And exactly when I entered, what happened? The price dumped. So that is my own secret that I cannot share, but I can tell you guys how to analyze and what to do. So you can trade it as you wish. Having the key levels is one thing, okay? And being able to enter and get out of these trades profitably, guys, is another thing. You enter a trade and it makes like 4 hours in drawdown. So people cannot stand that. They'll close out. Then when you come back maybe 2 days after, you just see price has dropped. Yeah, but do you know what happened or how long that price took up there to drop? Okay. Do you? No, you don't have what it takes to hold it straight. You don't have what it takes to sit down and wait. You don't have what it takes. You don't have the balls. You've seen the opposing pressure. You're in a sell trade and you see the price pushing strongly upwards. You cannot hold the trade because you feel like you're wrong. You want to get out. It's trading. That before the markets reopen, I opened. Delete everything you had on your chart for last week. Go back on your chart and reanalyze everything from scratch. Do not draw levels you don't need. Don't come up here. Oh, there's a key level here, and you draw this. No. Work where price is. Follow price. If price is here, you should have a key level above price and a key level below price. That's all you need. Yes, that's a key level, but you don't necessarily need to put this on screen. Okay? You don't need that. Work with what you need. These ones I was just demonstrating. This is what your chart should look like. That's it. If price breaks this area here, okay, where's the potential level for price to bounce at again? If price fails to hold here, this is the next bus stop. This is our next bus stop. You can have that on the screen. Perfect. Once again, my name is Ghislaine. Thanks for watching Forex Hybrid. Please consider subscribing. This is Forex Hybrid.